Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front mud flaps on a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado HD. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, install 2 mount clips onto your mud flap using 2 sets of black flat washers and cap screws. Ensure that your clips are placed in the top 2 holes of your mud flap as shown. Next, remove the 3 factory screws on the front of the stone guard. Then use a flat washer and screw to attach your mud flap to the fender. Once your mud flap is attached to the wheel well, position the 2 mount clips on the flap behind the fender flare as shown. Now use an offset washer and screw to loosely secure the final hole on the flap. Ensure you install the screw into the center hole of the offset washer. Next, attach the supplied Z bracket to the innermost hole of the wheel well using a stainless steel flat washer and screw. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure your mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your mud flap is level, secure all fasteners. When tightening your fasteners, ensure the Z bracket is positioned on your flap as shown. Next, use a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill through the marked slot on the flap and into the stone guard as shown. We will now install a washer strip onto the newly drilled hole. To start, place your washer strip, along with a nylon washer, flat washer, and supplied long screw, into the hole. Then, using a pair of pliers, position a washer plate through the bottom of the stone guard and onto the long screw as shown. Then use a power drill to secure the fasteners in place. Congratulations! You've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.